In this video I present the analysis and process of optimization of my video game type shooter developed in Unity. Initially, the project presented problems of performance related to the use of memory, execution in CPU, and rendering. To address these problems, I use the Unity profiler to identify the bottlenecks and apply solutions based on good practices professionally. In this first part, it is shown the behavior of the game before the optimizations. It can be observed spikes in the use of CPU and allocations of memory constantly because of the use of instantiate and destroying objects like bullets and effects. Also, the rendering system presented a high number of draw calls, which affected the performance. To improve the performance, I implemented several strategies of optimization. First, I apply an object pooling system for the bullets, replacing instantiate and destroy with reuse of objects, which reduce significantly the generation of memory garbage. Then I extended the system to visual effects like the moisel flash, eliminating unnecessary instances and improving the stability of the game. Also, I optimize the CPU use by reorganizing the update method, separating the input and logic, with improved efficiency and scalability. In UI, I implemented conditional update to avoid unnecessary calculations each frame. Finally, I optimize rendering by applying static batching in environment objects, reducing draw calls and improving graphics performance. In this second, it is shown the game after optimization. The results show a reduction in CPU spikes, lower memory use, and more stable performance. Also, draw calls are reduced, improving the overall game experience. In conclusion, this process demonstrates the importance of using tools like Unity Profiler to diagnose performance issues and apply optimization techniques based on data. The implemented improvements improved stability, performance, and user experience.